Alistair, how are you, mate? All right. I've got
enjoying a few cold beers, and I'm going to kind of walk to a bit of a quiet place because I'm in the Wolfpack bar at the moment.
Okay. So where is this Wolfpack bar, mate?
So we've got one in Queen's Park and one in West Hampstead, northwest London. So despite the kind of difficulties of lockdown and all the rest of it, still having fun and having a good time. Rule number one, though, is this.
Oh, wow.
Can you see the neon sign?
Is this where the beer starts?
Yeah, that's kind of where we started. Started brewing at Saracens, so I'm going to walk outside so we can probably hear each other a bit better. Started brewing for our time at Saracens, and then opened a few of our own bars and distribute throughout London and the UK. So, and Louis, who you've just kind of chatted to, was a good mate of mine, and we used to play together in South Africa at the Sharks in Durban. So nice to be involved in a little collab with him.
They're a little bit upset though, those guys.
Are you here?
They're a little bit upset, those guys. Oh, hang on, we've got a bit of an audio problem here.
Let me just try and move inside.
How's that? Can you hear me now? Ooh, audio going the wrong way. I can hear you now. That's recorded now. All right. So yeah, the guys over in Ireland, they're a little bit upset, mate. They're watching us with a load of beer here, and they're missing out. I can't. Sorry. I tell you what. Can you talk? Can you say something? Oh, we've lost him.
Is that any better?
Ah, that's better. We got you now. Yeah. I think all the background noise confuses.
Things a bit broken in London at the moment, so but yeah, we'll get through it.
Okay. So boys over in Ireland, they're a bit upset.
Some beer, and things have been kind of happening quite rapidly in the last few weeks in the UK and in the hospitality industry, and it kind of might have slipped through the post. You know what I'm saying? So I Louis and the boys a few beers and a few shirts, no doubt.
Okay. All right. Well, they're looking pretty keen to.
But I did see that, Harry. I did see that you burnt the barbeques there. They were upset about that as well. So I'm not the only one they're upset with, right?
Is it sort of sound barbecues? If we flip that over.
Listen, I think that passes. I think that's pretty good, right? What do you reckon? Tastes good?
Sorry, mate.
So does it taste good? What's the verdict?
Oh. Yeah. We're hooked on these things. Mostly on the dry broadie is something we've discovered from here in Canada. We've latched onto it.
It's kind of like the same version. It's kind of like a braai brookie to toasted sandwiches, or a braai is to barbecue. They're basically the same thing, but South Africans are trying to claim that they're a little bit different, right?
No. Louis had given us a bit of as well.
Sorry, let me say again.
And Louis had given us to add a bit of mystery as well.
Oh, there we go. All the good stuff.
So, Wolfpack, how long is it for? And how did what's got to we on now, mate?
Right, so we started brewing when we were playing for Saracens. My business partner is a guy called Chris Wiles, and we were like, well, we need to look at what happens after rugby, kind of what the next journey is. And people said, well, just choose a job that you love and try find a way to make a hobby a living, you know. And we said, okay, well, we're like, yeah, why don't we start brewing some and see if we can sell it to our fans and our supporters and make a business out of it. And Saracens were very supportive, and luckily, kind of through the place at the stadium, we managed to build a following. And kind of got into a place where post rugby we were able to move into it full time, and now we have 2 bars in London, and we supply about 300 different kind of bars, restaurants, pubs in the UK with our beer. So it's a pretty good job, to be honest. We've been pretty chuffed.
Oh, well done. I'm really impressed with your laugh, and Jack is as well. You know, we think that's good too. Only just had a switch. So
kind of, yeah, we'll have to send you a few more cases, and you've got to get them down quickly, just to wash down the Boerewors rolls.
Indeed, mate. Indeed. These have been fantastic. Yeah, from the guys.
They've done a great job. I think Louis sent me down a few Boerewors kind of like packets the other day, and got them on the Braai back out in the backyard in London. And they've done a fantastic job, and listed in Tesco now as well. So, I mean, bringing South African Boerewors to the masses. I mean, here we go. They're going global.
Incredible. Where can we get Wolfpack?
Yeah, I mean, look, so we're kind of, like I said, we're rounded about the UK only on trade, so we're not on any kind of retailers yet. Our bars are in West Hampstead and Queen's Park in London. We're at the Saracen Stadium, but I'd say follow us on Instagram. You'll find out a lot about what we do and who we are. And listen, look, we love beer and we love being around people and we love having fun. And I think kind of lockdowns taught us one thing, is that actually sociability is key, and being together is best. So when we come out of this, and we hope to have lots of Wolfpack lagers with a lot of our friends, and then we definitely get you down to Wolfpack and let's get some proper barbecues going outside.
Let's do it.
Sorry, mate, I've got a terrible signal here. Of course, timing as always, but
the front.
Sorry, say again.
Are we front west?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm in kind of the front yard now. And then we'll get the guys inside, kind of teed up and going for it. So
Sweet. Okay. Well, Jack and I might have to.
Compulsory. Has to do it sometime.
All right. Well, we've got a for Jack. He's got the giveaway. So thank you for that. Thank you for helping us. We hope you do really well. What you doing? Sensational stuff.
Thanks so much, man. Well, it's an absolute pleasure. Thanks. I think you guys did a good job. Did Heritage Day Pride, and next time I'll make sure it's a proper signal, and maybe we'll do it in person next time around.
No, wait. Do it. All right. All the best for Heritage.
Thanks, mate.
Cheers,
mate. All the best, mate.